Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angie in the house. Thanks guys for always tuning in. Please, if you are new here, likely click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new video. And if you are returning subscribers, my team, love you so much guys. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my turkey sauce, and these are the ingredients I have to do this. Here I have the tomatoes already sliced, I have the onions, I have the grated ginger, my sliced pepper. So here I have the thyme, the curry, the black pepper, and the nutmeg. Here I have the salt and the seasoning, the powder seasoning I'll be using. So guys, in here is our turkey that we're gonna be using. So let's get started. Firstly, we're gonna be boiling our turkeys. Okay guys, I just poured in my salt and I'll be adding my seasoning. Okay, and I'll be pouring in the ginger, and I'll be adding my nutmeg, the rosemary, okay, the black pepper, curry powder, so I'll be taking from my onion and pouring it inside, not all. Okay, so we have to cover and allow it to cook. Our turkey is ready. We're gonna set it aside and then we'll fry. We'll be frying it now. So guys, we don't want it to be too dry. So guys, we'll fry the turkey and I'm gonna start preparing the sauce now. So guys, from the oil I use in frying my meats, I just poured in a little from it into this pot. Now I'll be using this pot to prepare the sauce. So I'll be pouring in the onion. I'm pouring everything together. And we'll be adding a little bit of rosemary. A little of the curry powder. And then we'll be adding salt. And our seasoning. We'll be giving it time for it to fry. I'm just frying everything together. So guys, this is it. We are going to give it time for all this water to dry up. You can see the tomatoes bring out a lot of water, so I'm gonna give it time for it to dry up. So guys, as you can see, the oil, they are all coming up, so I'm still giving it a little bit to dry up. So guys, as you can see, the sauce is ready, and we'll be pouring in our turkey inside. So we'll be giving it time, maybe like 10 minutes for it to cook together. So guys, this is it. Our turkey sauce is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new video. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.